This review is about the Zulay Kitchen electric milk frother. I've tried a lot of different frothers, and this is by far my favorite one, and I wanted to share the review with you. This product comes with a lifetime warranty and a satisfaction guarantee. On the back of the box, their story is shared, and the son of Zulay, Aaron, was the co-founder of this product line. On this side of the box, there are instructions and tips and tricks on how to use it and clean it, and then it also requires 2 AA batteries for usage. This frother is perfect for lattes, cappuccinos, hot chocolate, keto coffee. I also put in a collagen peptide and then froth it into my coffee. The instructions do say to fill a glass 1/3 full with milk. I'm using almond milk, and lower the whisk halfway into the milk. Press the button to begin whisking. Raise the frother just below the surface of the milk and continue to raise and lower at a 45-degree angle for 30 to 45 seconds for a rich, creamy foam. When you are done frothing, you just release your finger from the button. For best results, you do not want to use milk hotter than 165 degrees Fahrenheit, and the milk frother can be used with hot or cold milk. Mine is cold. I feel like by the time I'm done frothing, the milk has doubled in size. Because this frother is so powerful, I would recommend putting a little bit of milk in a larger, oversized cup so that it all stays inside the cup. For an almond milk, I got quite a bit of froth. If you want to use a thicker milk, you will get thicker foam. Found this review helpful? Please subscribe and hit that like button.